Magandang araw po. I have always believed that principled disagreements can strengthen movements if they are rooted in truth and guided by respect. But when public accusations are based on conjecture, and when they target allies instead of adversaries, the damage falls not only on individual reputations, but on the greater cause we all claim to serve. Former Senator Antonio Sonny Trillanes IV has recently made public remarks against former Vice President, now Mayor Leni Robredo, suggesting, among other things, that she would have blocked any ICC arrest of Rodrigo Duterte had she won the presidency. I cannot, of course, speak on behalf of VP Mayor Leni, but I find that claim difficult to believe. Her public record speaks to the contrary. Naaalala ko pa, noong nasa Naga City sa Bicol, kami ni VP Mayor Leni, ilang araw lang nakalipas ng pagka-aresto kay Duterte. Sa harap ng media, sinabi niya na ito ang unang hakbang tungo sa pananagutan at hustisya. Sabi pa niya, habang pinag-uusapan ng due process noon sa kaso ni Duterte, hindi raw niya maiwasang balikan ang mga panahong ako ang inaresto at ikinulong sa kabila ng mga gawa-gawang paratang. Para sa kanya, accountability must apply to all. Walang puwang ang double standard sa hustisyang inaasam natin. I have respect for former Senator Sonny Trillanes, who I consider a friend and a co-warrior against Duterte's excesses and evils. Kaya masakit makita na may mga pahayag na sa halip na magpalakas ng hanay, ay maaari pang magdulot ng pagkakahiwalay sa loob o ng loob ng mga datit kasalukuyang magkakampi sa prinsipyo't adhikain. Nakakalungkot dahil kung sino pa ang mga kasama natin sa laban, sila pa ang pinagbubuntunan ng duda at pag-aakusa. Hindi ito ang panahon para maghinala. Hindi ito ang oras para magbangayan. As a friend and ally, I can attest to VP Mayor Leni's unwavering commitment to justice and human rights. No one who stood with us during the darkest days of impunity and persecution can honestly accuse her of being soft on accountability, least of all on Duterte. We do not know what has prompted these claims, but we do know their effect: division, distraction, and disinformation. Sa halip na tumutok sa mga dapat singilin sa kapalpakan at kasinungalingan, tayo pa mismo ang nagkakahiwa-hiwalay. Let us not hand ammunition to those who wish to see the democratic opposition fragmented and discredited. Let us not mistake our allies for our enemies. Let us never forget who truly brought harm to our institutions, our communities, and our fellow Filipinos. Ang laban natin ay hindi laban sa isa't isa. Ang laban natin ay laban para sa bayan, para sa hustisya, para sa katotohanan, para sa mga Pilipinong matagal nang pinagkaitan ng dignidad at katarungan. We in the opposition are not here to fight each other. We are here to fight for the people, for justice, truth, and dignity. That is our shared mission. Let us not lose sight of it. Tama na ang pagbibintang. Tuloy ang laban para sa bayan.